Hi, this is Joe Glavin with Philadelphia Floor. Today we're going to discuss the Wagner Rapid RH 4.0 meter and testing the relative humidity of a concrete slab. Test the relative humidity of the slab to make sure that the adhesive we're going to use will keep the floor in contact with the cement slab. It gives you an understanding of what's happening inside the slab down a certain percentage in depth, so that when that slab is covered and normal airflow across the slab has stopped, you've now capped it, there's going to be a buildup underneath there of the moisture that used to migrate through. So once it's capped, we want to know what it's going to be, and the only way we can measure that is in the slab, approximately 40%, depending on how the slab itself is drying. And if you're doing an install of floor covering, period, carpet, tile, vinyl, or hardwood, you want to know what is in the slab as far as moisture. This is a 5-inch slab. We're going to do 40% of that, since it's really just drying in one direction, which is the top. That's going to put us at 2 inches. So I just put a piece of tape down 2 inches from the bit tip, and this bit comes with the kit, as well as a vacuum nozzle, an insertion nozzle, an insertion tool, 4 sensors, and a reader. So we're going to drill down. You got to keep this 90 degrees perpendicular to the floor, and go down 2 inches. After drilling the hole, use a vacuum to clean up the debris. Then clean out the hole with the supplied steel wire brush. Attach the vacuum nozzle to the hose cuff and clean the hole. This is the Rapid RH 4.0 sensor. This is the bottom of the sensor. The reader is placed inside on the brass contacts and measures the temperature and relative humidity of the slab. And we're just going to drive this in with by hand. It should just insert straight in. This is the reading mechanism. So that unit is going to read the bottom of the sensor, and this is going to tell us what it says. 68 degrees and 73% relative humidity. The Rapid RH sensors from Wagner, when they're installed in the hole, those sensors can remain in there indefinitely. If there's ever an issue with glue failure, or the floor's buckling, or something's happened, you can pop the board out. If you've mapped out where you've put them, you can pop those boards out or remove that floor covering. You can then reinsert the reader and find out what the moisture of that slab is at that current time. Here are the key points for use of the Rapid RH 4.0 from Wagner. If you'd like to purchase the Wagner Rapid RH 4.0 meter or extra sensors, go to phillyfloor.com.